Hi, Max and German Japanese car, 15020 Oxnard Street, units F and G, Sherman Oaks, California, 91411. Call or text 310-804-4185. 2008 Volkswagen Passat, right front airbag, passenger front airbag, $50. I take credit cards and ship. I do installation and repair. Check me out at maxsgermancar.com or my YouTube channel, the Max Brakeman channel. Meet or beat any eBay price for the exact same item with shipping posted before the video. 2006-2008 Volkswagen Passat or Passat Wagon, front passenger airbag, $50. 310-804-4185. Call or text 310-804-4185. Thank you.